Attention!
An emergency has been reported in this building.
So now we can
Let's
go.
go the fire extinguisher. Just in case.
Okay, turn it off quickly.
We have a situation.
Come on.
Mason, come on. Get him.
Come on. Okay, dude, our kids are officially bums. Brooklyn. Kayla. Look. You're gonna wake up and see Mr. Elephant's butt. Brooklyn. Look up. Elephant butt. You're gonna get pink eye.
In this building, please cease operations and leave the building utilizing the nearest exit or fire exit stairway. Do not use elevators. Repeat, do not use elevators.
Where are we supposed to go? We're on the third floor.
Attention. An emergency has been reported.
You better put clothes
in this
on.
building. Please cease operations
Fast.
and leave the building utilizing the nearest exit or fire exit stairway. Do not use elevators. Repeat.
Take it back. Come inside.
Attention. An emergency has been reported in this building. Please cease operations and leave the building utilizing the nearest exit or fire exit stairway. Do not use elevators. Repeat. Do not use elevators.
Okay.
Not use elevators. Attention. An emergency has been reported in this building. Please cease operations and leave the building utilizing the nearest exit or fire exit stairway. Do not use elevators. Repeat, do not use elevators.
It's taking.
Did anybody grab a key?
Elevators.
Yeah, I have a key card.
Do not use elevators.
We walk in. Oh, so we.
We can go all the way.
really close all the
No shoot.
Attention.
Attention.
An emergency has been reported in this building.
So now we can
Let's
go.
go the fire extinguisher. Just in
Okay,
case.
turn it off quickly.
Conclusion, we're all stuck.
One forward.
We're stuck. Like we lived on this
Go back
door.
to the stairwell and go down.
Hey guys, don't worry. It's just a little fire drill.
Has been reported in
It's not real. It's fake. It's a little, what is it called?
Practice.
Practice.
stairway.
Oh, where's mom and dad?
Repeat, do not use elevators.
Where's mom and dad? Oh, they're there. They're sometimes slow, you know.
Attention. An
You
emergency
coming?
has been reported in this building. Please
Okay.
cease
We're
operations.
gonna go get breakfast at a diner. Yeah,
Do not use
Yeah.
elevators.
tornado drill. Cause
Just a fire drill,
Yeah.
tornado drill, because we're in tornado alley.
yeah. And we're gonna get some breakfast. Waffles. I don't know.
It's remember when we sat at the like mini bar sort of? It's not a real bar, don't worry.
We made it out. What are you doing? Mason.
Mason.
doing?